Have you ever wondered, why did Shaytan want the body of Prophet Musa alayhi salam so desperately? What secret was hidden in it that even the devil himself tried to claim it? Today we uncover a mysterious story buried deep within Islamic tradition. Prophet Musa alayhi salam, the one who spoke directly with Allah, lived a life of miracles, splitting the sea, defeating Pharaoh, guiding Bani Israel. But when his time came, Allah sent the angel of death. Unlike ordinary deaths, Musa alayhi salam's burial was hidden, concealed by Allah himself. No man knew his grave. According to authentic narrations, Allah ordered the angels to bury Musa alayhi salam, but then something strange happened. Shaytan appeared, demanding the body of Musa. Why? Because Shaytan knew that if Bani Israel discovered his grave, they would turn it into a shrine, worshipping it instead of Allah, just as people before had worshipped graves and idols. But why did Satan want Musa's body so badly? Scholars explain: 1. To mislead Bani Israel into shirk. 2. To create a false object of worship. 3. To destroy the legacy of pure monotheism that Musa alayhi salam stood for. This was not just about a body. It was about a test of faith, about whether the people would continue worshipping Allah alone or fall into Shaytan's trap. Allah protected Musa alayhi salam even after death. The grave of Musa remains unknown until today. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, told us, "If I were there, I would show you his grave by the red sand hill on the side of the road." But the exact spot remains hidden. This concealment was a mercy from Allah, a shield against the plots of Shaytan. This story teaches us a powerful lesson. Shaytan will use every trick to mislead us, even through something as sacred as a prophet's body, but Allah's wisdom always prevails. Just as Allah protected Musa alayhi salam, He protects His deen. Our duty is to hold firmly to Tawheed and never let Shaytan distract us from worshipping Allah alone. Have you ever